everyone, welcome back to Cure Experience. Today, we're making a refreshing and healthy Kamias juice. This simple yet delicious drink is packed with vitamins and perfect for any time of the day. Let's dive into the ingredients, directions, and some amazing health benefits. Ready? Let's go! First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. Kamias. This tangy fruit is the star of our juice. Stevia, a natural sweetener to balance the tartness. Crushed ice, to keep our drink refreshingly cool. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Follow these simple steps. Wash the Kamias and cut the stems off. Feed the Kamias into the juicer entrance. Add stevia to the juice and stir well. Finish by adding crushed ice to keep it chilled. And there you have it, fresh, tangy, and sweet Kamias juice ready to enjoy. Not only is this juice delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. Helps prevent cough. Kamias is rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. Reduces the chances for scurvy. Thanks to its vitamin D content, this juice helps keep your bones and teeth healthy. Thank you for joining us today to make this refreshing Kamias juice. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and its wonderful health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Cheers to good health, and see you in the next video.